Hey everyone, I'm Jenny from Rehook and this is Rehook Air, the mini universal bike pump. Rehook Air comes in a sleek presentation case and includes the Rehook Air bike pump, the frame attachment bracket, screws and cable ties for the frame bracket and a ball pump needle. Any cyclist will tell you a good pump is an essential tool, so you want yours to be both high quality and sturdy. It's normal for tyres to lose air over time. Riding on deflated tyres can damage your wheel rims, so it's important to ensure you keep them properly inflated. Bike inner tubes come with one of two different types of valves, Presta or Schrader. Mountain bikes typically use Schrader valves, which are wider. These are similar to those found on car tyres. Road bikes typically use Presta valves, which are longer and slimmer. They also have a lock nut at the end. When using a Presta valve, make sure you unscrew the valve head before use. And for Schrader valves, just fasten the valve head again. To inflate your tyres, unscrew the dust caps, screw the valve head onto your tyre and begin pumping. Hold the pump and valve steady to prevent any damage to your inner tube. Once finished, unscrew the pump, detach it quickly to prevent any air escaping. Now you can reattach your dust cap. Rehook Air also includes a handy ball pump needle. To attach it, simply screw the needle into the Schrader valve. Insert the ball needle carefully, holding the pump to prevent the needle bending during inflation. Rehook Air has an extremely lightweight and compact design that makes it the perfect addition to your kit. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, but it also comes with a frame attachment bracket. There are two ways to attach the bracket, with the frame bracket bolts or with cable ties. If your bike has threaded frame holes, place the bolts through the bracket and into your frame. Threaded holes are positioned on the down tube or the crossbar of your bike. If you already have a bottle cage, then attach the bracket between the cage and the frame. Alternatively, you can use the cable ties. Start by selecting a suitable position for the bracket. I would recommend putting it on the down tube, it will fit in a number of places. Once you've found a suitable position, feed the cable ties through the holes of the bracket and around your frame. Pull tightly to ensure they are secure and cut off the excess ties. You can now clip in the pump and secure it with the strap. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, then write to us in the comments. Rehook Air is available at www.rehook.bike. Make sure to follow and subscribe for more how-tos and maintenance tips.